guys, little update here. So it's been almost 3 months since I've been in my little house. I can't believe it's been that long, but it has. And I was really excited today about getting back into it. So I went and started loading my stuff into it. Tried to turn on the refrigerator and there's no propane flowing through. Brand new tanks, just filled them up, and yeah, there was nothing happening. So I tried the stove as well. Nothing, not even airflow going through there. So I tried. It's a really bumpy road. Anyway, I eventually decided that the propane tank regulator was bad, so I went and got a new one, and I installed it myself. Thank you very much. I know, pretty pleased about that, even though I didn't want to do it. It still didn't work. Nothing happened. I couldn't believe it. Not fair. So I at least tested the tanks by attaching them to my buddy heater. I have a long hose attachment for the buddy heater that exits outside of my RV where my power cord comes out. So I took the tank over there and tried it, and sure enough, got it to work, no problem. So it was still something at the tongue end of my rig. Then I was thinking maybe a rodent chewed at the lines or something, but normally when you open the valves, you'll hear a little bit of a hiss of the gas coming through, and there was none of that. So I called around and nobody answered the phone for RV repair shops. Finally somebody answered, and he tried to be helpful over the phone, and that didn't work, and he said you could bring it in, and I said great, I'm gonna bring it in. So I brought it in, and he took one look at it and said it's a bad regulator. I said no, it's brand new. He said yeah, it's bad. They've been dealing with this, and they know that it was a Camco brand, and it was like $70. Didn't work. It just didn't work. So they didn't have a double one. They only had a single regulator, but they said you could just do the single and then pop it over when you run out of propane. And I said fine, just get me in my house tonight. So we did it, and it worked. Yay! I was very, very pleased. So that took a few hours out of the day, and so now I might be arriving to my boondocking location after dark, which I don't care to do ever, but looks like it's going to happen tonight. It's okay. So anyway, very excited to be back on the road, back in my little house. I think I've been out of my rig pretty much almost as much as I've been in it this year, unfortunately. Some things were, good, and I caused it. Some things weren't so good. It hasn't been the best year ever, but things are looking good now, so pretty happy about that. Anyway, I'll show you which brand of that regulator not to get, but I can't right now because clearly I'm driving. So, all right, I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.